pick your side. Cause we got this shit swinging side to side. Control your pride, don't treat out your spine. Cause when it's back, that paper's do or die. I'm feeling like I might get rich today. Came a long way from the welfare. I pray for them niggas that's still there. Woke up and I felt my palms itch. Okay, but they wish I was still there. I tell them back like I don't care. Only thing that changed is the amount. Made a few hits on the couch. Now I just rack out the crowd. I can't hear a thing, they screaming so loud. I bought you like James, so they gave me the crown. The AIP loaded with 23 rounds. We had 20 like Mario Luigi. That boy take it down, he be placing the shit through the house. On the wake up, go get the kick up. Under that BB, yeah, I got the kick up. She eat the meat up, don't care about the makeup. No, she eat the meat up like that shit was Kayla. You know that I'm stepping, the suit came and tailored. On primetime TV, the front of your cable. Boy, if you broke, better turn to your neighbor. Boy, if you broke, better talk to your maker. Stepping here, best pick your side. Cause we got this shit swinging side to side. Control your pride, don't treat out your spine. Cause when it's back, that paper's do or die. I'm feeling like I might get rich today. Came a long way from the welfare. I pray for them niggas that's still there. Woke up and I felt my palms itch. Okay.